Hey, welcome everybody. We're going to do something quick and easy. And you know what? It's eaten a lot during the summer. That's right. We're going to make a simple, easy potato salad. And this is what you're going to need. So I picked up a 5-pound bag of russet potatoes. We're going to wash these. We're going to put them in some salted water, and we're going to bring them up to a boil until they're fork tender. We are not going to peel them right now. It's best to peel them after they're boiled because they'll peel so much easier. And let me get that done, and we'll be back. Okay, let's try this again. So I use this when I use this pot because it's got a thin bottom. And in this way, when I do something like this, it doesn't stick to the bottom. I want to make sure the potatoes are covered, even though some of them are going to float a little bit. I'm just going to add a little bit more. That'll be good. We're going to put this on high. We're going to bring it up. Once it starts to boil, then we are going to reduce the heat. We are going to put some salt, and while we're waiting for this, we will get our other ingredients ready. Okay, so what you're going to need is you're going to need about 3 cups, give or take, of mayonnaise. Depends on your liking. You're going to need 2 cups of chopped pickles and some of the pickle juice. You're going to need about half a cup of finely chopped celery. I'm going to use the leaves on this. I like the way the leaves taste. And did I say half a cup? Well, anyway, half a cup celery and half a cup of onion. Half a cup of onion is probably going to wind up being half of this onion because it's big. I'm using red onion because of the color. It's more palatable than some of the other onions out there. If you have a vidalia onion, you can use a vidalia onion, yellow onion, whatever you want. And love my pepper grinder, and pepper and salt to taste. So this is washed, and now we're gonna chop this up. Okay, so we're going to check on the potatoes, give them a little stir, and we want them to be fork tender. And what we mean by fork tender is we want something to go into them nice and easy. There's still a little bit of resistance here, so they're not quite fork tender. If they're too soft, you wind up with mashed potatoes. So let's let these cook down a little bit more, and we'll be back. Okay, so these are ready. You'll see if you take the larger potato and you stick it in, it goes in pretty easy. So now what you want to do is you want to take these to the sink, strain them, and cool them off so they stop cooking. back in here. Cold water. And it wouldn't hurt to get some ice. So now we let them cool down, and then we peel them, chop them up, and put everything together. Okay, so now you'll see that you can just peel the skin away. And if you're interested in making diner-style home fries, this is what they do before they fry them on the grill. You can make things go faster by using a butter knife. A butter knife, just pass it across. Give it a rinse, and if there's a little bit of skin on there, it's no big deal. So I'm going to finish these up, and then we'll get to cutting them. Okay, so you have your potatoes all peeled. And you can just simply cut them. You want to keep them kind of larger because as you start mixing things in, it's going to break them down. And you'll find that the smaller ones are actually softer. So I think the first thing I'm going to start with is the onions. So like I said, it's half a cup. All right, I have half a cup here. Let's put half a cup in and see. It's not quite half a cup. A little bit more in. All right, celery. So it's half a cup. Okay, so that looks good. It looks like, you know what, I think I want a little bit more celery. But the onions, you can see you got plenty of onion in there. All right. Now it calls for 2 cups. Let me get a measuring cup just so you can see. Okay, so of this, this is actually not even, this is like a cup and a quarter. So let's put all this in. I actually thought it was going to be too much. Again, I normally eyeball it. I'll cut these up real quick. This will probably bring it up to about 2 cups. And these are dill pickle spears, by the way. I've never made it with any other type of pickle, so I couldn't tell you if you can substitute it. that's your 2 cups of chopped pickles. Now, I like the pickle flavoring, so depends on whether or not it's enough for you. I'm actually adding a 1/4 cup, you can see, 1/4 cup of pickle juice. So this is what we got so far. And it calls for 3 cups of mayo. Now, I like mayonnaise, but sometimes, you know, mayonnaise can be overpowering. So, this is 1 cup. Okay? This is 1 cup of mayonnaise. Okay. Here's that 2nd cup. So, I'm thinking 2 cups is enough. I guessed on that 3 cups. Yeah, definitely only 2 cups. Okay, now I'm going to give it a taste. I think it's actually just a pinch of salt, not a lot. And of course, pepper. If you're interested in one of these pepper mills, I'll leave a link in the description where you can get it. Yeah, I like pepper. I'm going to leave the recipe in the description, and I'm only going to put in a 1/4 cup of pickle juice, because like I said, I like it more pickly than you might. This will pick up flavor as it sits. So what you want to do now is you want to cover it and put it in the fridge. Okay, that's it. It's a simple, tasty potato salad. I've been making it this way for years. This is the first time that I captured the measurements, so now I can hand this down to my kids. So anyway, thanks for stopping by.